I still taste the scream I made you swallow when I broke you apart. Your eyes were dead in me, I played the dark. I wake up reaching for the bruise I left on your wrist. It faded, but my fingers insist I cradle my guilt like a loaded revolver handed to you. There's no resolve here. Hurt me, just don't leave. Hurt me till you're satisfied, just don't leave. Hurt me till you're bored, just don't leave. I hear you crying in the shower, water won't cleanse the stain. I stand outside the door, a dog that bit its owner's vein. Your voice, it fractures when you say my name. Please use it as a blade, I deserve the echo. Built this house of blame. Every sorry I choked on is a tooth you can yank from the root. Every broken promise, a nerve for you to pry slow, absolute. Every scream, a snap of my jaw, absolute. Hurt me, just don't leave. Hurt me, just don't grieve. Hurt me till my debt is paid, equivalent exchange. Truth stands barefoot, imperfect in the kitchen's cold, holding the ring I knelt with, offered you my hold. The shards in your palm, choose one, flay the vow I sold. Throw bare my blood on the tile unrolled. I'll sleep on the floor cause the bed once held our prime. Cups cracked, still two through ruins and time. One for the blood I owe, red in a vial. One for the you I conjure to stay gold in a trial. The ash in our crucible stirs a spark in the black. Your hand on the rim, the vessel holds back from lead to gold. Our fire burns slow, stay and love will flow. Take me, I'm the lead you burn. Take me till the ash returns. Take me till the stone is earned. Take me, I'm the gold you keep. Take me till the debt won't weep. Take me, equivalent exchange. Equivalent exchange.